Hey there, welcome back friends. Today we will talk about JSP comments. Now friends, as we already seen that we can definitely make use of Java comments when it comes to scriptlet. Let me show you. In here, firstly, let me execute this program and let me show you the current output. And here is the current output, which is cool, right? Now, for example, in here, I comment out the second line. Then definitely the output will change a little and the output is value of X only. Now for example, I would like to comment out both of these lines. In that case, definitely I can also make use of Java multi-line comment. Here we go. And in here, let me refresh the page and we can easily see the impact. Now friends, if for example, we are making use of expression element, let me quickly make use of expression element. In here, I print the value of X. Let me refresh the page. We are able to see the output, but in here we won't be able to comment this out. If we try to do this, what would be the outcome? That would be a crash. The bottom line is Java comments can be used for the scriptlet element only. Alright, now let me undo the changes. Now friends, we know that definitely Java comments can be used inside the scriptlet only, but we also have a yet another comment, that is HTML comment. Now for example, we make use of HTML comment to enclose the scriptlet and to enclose our expression element. What would be the outcome? Here we go. So here is the current output and let me refresh the page and here is the impact. Definitely the printable characters are gone. Now friends, these HTML comments are not reliable. Why? Because these comments will only prevent printing the printable characters. Whereas if there is some method call, if there is some unprintable characters, there won't be any impact. Let me give you an example. For example, let me get rid of this and inside this scriptlet, we are calling a method maybe. Let me format things a little real quick. Here we go. So in here, if I type in response dot send redirect and we redirect our what we say web page to, for example, google.com. So in here, I will type in http:// in fact, let's redirect to studyeasy.org. So the URL is studyeasy.org and semicolon at the end. Alright, so now this looks good to me. And now if I refresh the page, then what would be the impact? Let me show you. Here we go. So our website studyeasy.org got loaded, which is good, but somehow, even though there was these HTML comment, we were able to execute this code. So this is little strange. There is a comment, this particular line of code should not get executed, but it got executed and we are now redirected to what? Redirected to our own website studyeasy.org. So the bottom line is, whenever we are making use of JSP elements, always rely on JSP comments only. Let me show you what exactly is a JSP comment. In order to give the JSP comment, it is very simple. We simply need to make use of %-, and that's it. Now, if I, for example, rerun this page, let me rerun this page, there won't be any impact. So this is the usage of JSP comment. Always use JSP comment whenever we are making use of JSP element. So that's the bottom line. Alright, so this is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and in our next video we will check a yet another element.